and welcome back to another video. I am here to share my Christmas project for the Christmas All Year Christmas collab that I am hosting. This is a year-long collaboration where myself and other crafty friends get together the second Sunday of the month at 10 a.m. Central Standard Time, and we share Christmas-themed projects. And so the whole goal of this collab is to get a jump start on Christmas crafting. So when that time rolls around, Christmas crafting will be checked off of the to-do list, okay? So I can't believe that it is already October. It seems that the year has rolled around very, very fast. So we only have 2 more installments for this collaboration. You still have time to get in on the collab. All you have to do is just use the hashtag, and I will leave the hashtag in the screen, and just share your Christmas theme project and use the hashtag. All right, you guys, so I'm not going to hold you long. Make sure you check out the other ladies for this collab. Links will be in the description box below for you guys to go to their channels to see what they have created. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I upload a new video. I'm also on Instagram as Scrap Passion 01, so you may want to follow me over there as well. So without further ado, let's get started. I'm going to go through the products really quickly that I used to create my project. So this is a new die set by The Greetery that was in the recent release. It is called the Have a Spine. It comes with 3 dies in this set, and it creates, you know, the look of a book. So I thought this was really neat, and I wanted to play with it. I also used some stickers from my stash. I used these, the Merry Christmas. I used some of these adhesive gems. Some of these poinsettias 3D. I pulled out this die set by Anna Griffin. This is called the 3D Neoclassical Concentric Frame Die. And this is what it looks like. And I only used the small one and then the next to the small one. I didn't use the large one. I used this stamp set. This also came out in the new release. It is called The Christmas Story. And so I used this stamp that stamps out the Christmas story. And then I used this die as well. And it also comes with dies. I pulled out this die set by Card Making Magic. This is the A2 card and box die set. And then I used the Matting Basics A and B. And I used the Anna Griffin card-based die for a 2-size card. This is my project share. You can see the book die from The Greetery on front. I have that Anna Griffin die. It has the Christmas story. You can see the poinsettias. And then I closed it off with this ribbon here. When you untie the ribbon, you have the Christmas story inside. I used some of these stickers. And then that Merry Christmas sticker, I just used it on this faux ribbon here. This is actually cardstock that has like that felt on it, and I just cut it to look like a ribbon, like a ribbon bookmark, and then I put that sticker on there that says Merry Christmas. Now I had a fit with this stamp, you know, trying to stamp this out and get a really good impression. So you really have to use like that trick where you use the eraser and go over the stamp set to help it stamp a little better. So that's what I had to do, you know, to get that to stamp out a little better. And so I actually created a box. So this is a box. And so this is a gift within itself. You already have the card. And then inside you can house a nice gift, like a gift card, some jewelry, you know, or something like that. Look at that, glitters everywhere. And so let me share the box with you, and then I'll open it up. It was part of the die set, and it just helps decorate the box. And then here's where I use those adhesive gems all the way around. And so I'm going to add like some crepe paper, and it opens up like this, and you can see it's a really good size. and put a gift. Put some crepe paper in there. Like I said, a gift card, nice jewelry, anything you like as a gift. And then your card is already on top. And that is my card share for you guys today. Make sure you check out the other ladies. And until next time, make sure you always create with love and passion.